Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw stitches from Animal Crossing. So let's get started. To draw this cute bear, let's first start by drawing a big oval. So I'm going to come right here and start with a big curve. And I'm going to round off the sides to create my oval. So this is where the nose and the mouth is going to be. And connect. There. So I have your oval in, and let's come back in the center at the top right here. And right in the center, I'm just going to draw a soft curve for the nose, round off the edges, and then bring it and connect it in the center. And I'll come back in here and give it a little highlight and shade everything else in. There. And then let's come to the center of this nose, come down, and we're going to curve out. So come down straight and then curve out. And same thing on the other side, straight and then curve out. There. And then in between, we're going to draw kind of like a U. Bottom of a U and connect. And inside, let's add a curve for a tongue. And I'll shade this part in so you can see a little bit better. There, got our happy bear. Okay, so then from there we have to draw a big X for the eyes. So I'm going to come right next to this and say about right here. I'll go ahead and I'll just write in a letter X first. So about right there, and so then say about right here, same thing. So I just want to have a general idea of where I want to put the eyes. I'm just going to start with two big X's on the side, and then I'll come in and thicken it up. So I'll just use this as my guide. And just basically draw a rectangle around it, make it a little bit easier. And shade it all in. And same thing over here. Okay, so there we go. We have these nice thick X's for eyes. And you know what? I'm going to come in here and just round it off. It'd be better if I round it off a little bit so it's not so harsher. Round off the corners. Okay, there. So then from there, we're going to have to draw the head now. And so let's come to the top of your X. So about right here, I'm going to come out, and I'm just going to imagine drawing a big curve under this. So I'll come out, say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and from there, I'm going to start a curve under. So same thing over here. So just take a look at the other side, say about right here, same thing. And we just want to surround our X, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect at the bottom with a soft curve right underneath our oval. There. Okay, so then now we can go to the top, and we're going to bring this up. And we're going to get a little bit narrower as we go up. So it's kind of like your basic dumpling shape I give to all my characters. So say right here. It's easier for my hand to come down. And let's go up. So about right there, go towards the center, about right here, and then I can start to head down and connect back. There, got my big head in. So it's all up to you. If it's easier for you to draw this big head shape first and then put in the eyes and the nose, you can definitely do that as well. Okay, so then from there, I'm gonna come to say about, I'll just give myself 2 points just to make it a little bit easier, more even, right here. And I'll come about right here and just draw a curve down. And the same thing on the other side, about right here. And down. There. And then now to draw the ears. So about in this area right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big curve. Nice and round. And I'll come inside and follow the outside. And same thing on the other side. So I'll just drag some points across. So I make sure I'm in approximately same area. Okay, so these two. And so once again, let's go up. And I'll just drag this point across. Since I'm drawing pretty big, it'll help me kind of know how high to go. And there. Now we can go ahead and connect back, just like the other side. And once again, draw the inside, the curve. Now that we're finally done with the head, let's go ahead and draw the cute little body. So right underneath this oval right here, I'll give myself 2 points, so here and here, nice and centered. And I'm going to bring out an angle line for the top. Star top that this bear is wearing, so bring it down a little bit more. About right there, I'll go ahead and connect it with a curve and then go right back up. And then underneath this curve, we're going to draw the little bottom. So right here, come in a little bit, and we're just going to draw a curve and a curve. And connect. And then the feet. So right in the center, say about here and here. I'll go ahead and just draw a slight angle line on both sides. And then let's come to this part right here, and we're going to draw a slight angle line as well. And then right about here, I'll pop it out a little bit for the feet and connect. There. And so same thing over here. Angle a little bit, and then about right there, pop it out and connect. So cute, right? These little feet. Okay, so then now the arms. So let's work on this side first. We're just going to bring this down since it's just nice and simple to its side. So just bring down a curve and bring it in right here with the short ends. And for the other hand, I thought it would just be nice if we put it up. So let's say about right here, give myself a point and just bring it out about right here. Curve and come back in. Oops. I think I made it a little bit too thick compared to this arm. Okay, there. I think that's a little bit better. And then for some decorations on the top right here, let's come back and right here and draw a curve for the neckline. And then we're going to decorate it with some stars. there. So just have the stars in here any direction that you want, but just fill up the space. And that is pretty much it for the Stitches, the cute little bear from Animal Crossing. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me, and thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.